Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the Sololearn app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Sololearn application within the device where you have logged in and not logged out. After opening up the app, you will directly be taken into the Learn page from which you can start various different lessons. Now, if you wish to log out from your account within this device, just tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and then tap on the menu icon at the top left. From here, tap on Settings and this will now take you into your settings page. Now just scroll all the way down and you will see the sign out button. Tap on this button and you will now be logged out from your Sololearn account right away. If you wish to log back in, you can tap on the Continue with Google or the Login button at the bottom section and then use your credentials to log back in. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on the Sololearn app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.